Hello and welcome to Minute Article. I would like to talk about network access control, a security software that is guarding the network security by controlling the access to the network, unquestionably playing a vital role in strengthening the network security infrastructure. This set of tools, processes, and protocols supervises the access to the network connected resources that are the desktop, laptops, smartphones, tablets, network routers, servers, workstations, and IoT devices, to name a few. A crucial member in the cybersecurity army, network access control, also known as network admission control, denies access using the processes of multi-factor authentication, authorization, assessment, and compliance policies. Simplifying the management of complex networks, network access control helps in securing the user devices, application security, increased network visibility, additional layer of protection, and drastically reducing the cyber threat. In the world of IoT-filled network environment, will the corporates adapting to bring your own device policy in order to adjust to the changing working arrangements, face challenges of building complex policies around network access control? Your answer matters. If you like my articulation, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Minute Article. Next Thursday, I will be back again with some more new insight. This is me, Madhvi Desai, signing off.